on stage with me for a private performance in yes, I'll say Brooklyn. And Luke will get you a limo to keep for the night in Nashville for the historic Country Music Hall of Fame and Ryman Auditorium. That's not kind enough. You and each of your friends will go home with autographed guitars, Luke Bryan's entire music catalog, and a Toshiba tablet loaded with iHeartRadio. Sponsored by UMG Nashville. Keep listening for your chance to win $1,000 and this once-in-a-lifetime iHeartRadio experience. 100.5 The Wolf, powered by your local Chevy dealers in the Ozarks.
Hey, it's Gordon with 100.5 The Wolf. You know, Thanksgiving is going to be here before you know it. And I think we all have those stories of family members or ourselves ruining the Thanksgiving turkey, which is why Famous Dave's Barbecue suggests you leave it up to the professionals. Famous Dave's is smoking 12 to 14-pound turkeys in their southern fried silver with cherry wood. They also offer all the fixins if you need them too. Call ahead or swing by and make this Thanksgiving famous with Famous Dave's Barbecue on South Campbell.
Norm McDonald here with my trusty laptop. You know what the internet is good for? Wasting time. Look, a water-skiing squirrel. You can also use the internet to get a free quote on state minimum coverage from Safe Harbor. Just go to safeharbor.com and see for yourself. Best of all, you'll be done so quickly you'll have plenty of time left over for viewing you-know-what. Kitty's playing piano. 1-800-SAFE-HARBOR. Drive safe, spend less.
Attention car buyers with bad credit. Republic Auto Credit Sales can help fix your bad credit and provide you with a better class of pre-owned vehicle. Republic Auto Credit Sales pulls quality used car trading straight from Republic Ford Lincoln. On-site service department, low down payment, and low weekly payments. That's the way they sell cars. Receive 3 oil changes for the duration of your contract, and they'll help restore your credit. Call 732-8899. Republic Auto Credit Sales. Or online at republicautocredit.com. They are... The garage is known for keeping but it can also play a big role in the pursuit of a dream. And bad practice. American Family Insurance protects more than your stuff. We protect your dreams. No matter if it's take you from playing in the garage. This stage of life. Take a moment to get inspired. Go to amfam.com to your dream and join your dreamers. Your dream is go get it. We'll protect it. Price underwritten by American Family Insurance, Mutual Standard, and location of case 6000 American Park, Madison.
It's Christmas in Branson. Hey, y'all, this is Clay Cooker for the